Hey, what's up everyone, Rahul here from Tech Pro, and Apple has just released iOS 11.4.1. This is not a major update, but it means a lot for many users who were having issues while locating their AirPods location in Find My iPhone. You can see the update is pretty small with a size of just under 210 megabytes. The size varies depending upon the devices. For example, iPhone SE has 205.7 MB while iPhone 7 has 208.1 MB. Minor difference, but yes, it counts. Coming back to what's new in iOS 11.4.1, apart from fixing an issue that prevented some users from viewing the last known location of their AirPods in Find My iPhone, iOS 11.4.1 has also improved reliability of syncing mail, contacts, and notes with Exchange accounts as mentioned in the Apple software update release note. Well, as I said, it's not a major update, but it was definitely needed. Apart from iOS 7.4.1 for iPhone and iPad, Apple has also released watchOS 4.3.2 and tvOS 11.4.1 to the public. Finally, my iPhone 7 is upgraded to iOS 11.4.1 and it's nice. Now let's quickly jump into iOS 11.4.1 speed test and let me run a Geekbench CPU test. Here is it guys, single core score is 752 while multi-core score is 3522. Though there isn't a huge improvement in the single core score as when I ran it on iOS 11.4 just before updating it, it was 1715 while multi-core benchmark score was 3147 and after iOS 11.4.1 update it's 3522. So definitely it's a great improvement, but I still can't find it so smooth as I had expected. Anyways, it's a much needed update and you should definitely update unless you are waiting for jailbreak. I would recommend you to stay at lowest possible iOS version if you want to jailbreak your device. This was it guys, iOS 11.4.1, everything you needed to know. Hope you enjoyed watching it. Please hit the like button and subscribe. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video.